Hey everybody, Mr. Allen here. I just wanted to go over what um my sixth graders and then my eighth grade class. You guys are gonna be having an exam and it is gonna be over figurative language. Each student will pick their own they will pick a type of figurative language, and they will basically create a presentation about it. This here is an instructional slide. This isn't exactly what the presentation should look like. It's kind of what you need to do and what you need to have. More so, I will probably come back later this week and create another one of these screencasts, stating like how it should look, and actually create my own just to show you guys. But you guys basically all you need is Google Slides. That is it. And this here should be titled, alright, for me, because this is instructional, I titled it Middle School Exam Project. But for your child, it needs to say figurative language, and then whatever figurative language that they chose, and then by your child's name. If it'll go, is it not going to work? Okay. Expectations. So your child needs to write about a type of figurative language. Obviously not handwritten. It's going to be done digitally on Google Slides. These are the expectations. 2 expectations are kind of actually 3 kind of. But I want your child basically to have facts and definitions about the figurative language that they have chosen. Also, unless that we run out of types of figurative language, which I'm sure we probably will, I'm gonna try to keep one student in each class. I don't want to give a bunch of them the same figurative language type, so they'll all choose different kinds of figurative language. All right. The directions, very simple, very, very simple. I wanted to keep it very, very, very simple. So the directions are, I want your child to show pictures and even YouTube videos on how figurative language can be used, or how it has been used, or just a picture of it being used. And then the presentation can be a minimum of 4 slides, but the maximum amount of slides is 8. Now, what that means is if they get below 0, or if they get below 4 slides, then they're going to get points deducted from the overall exam grade. And if they go over 8 slides, then they will get their grade will be, overall will be deducted, meaning that they could fail my class. So you want to have this talk with them, make sure that it is a good presentation, that it has lots and lots of facts. And you can put a lot, and even let your children know that in Google Slides, I don't want them using any more than 8 slides, but they can put so much information onto one slide. Literally, there's enough space on one slide to almost fit a little less, like a large portion of the presentation. All right. Tools. So this is mandatory. Please use only Google Slides. Use Google Slides only. I don't want any other applications or websites being used. Only Google Slides. Okay, as you can see right here in capital letters, only Google Slides, please. All right. And yeah. So I don't want you guys using PowerPoint, or any type of, or Microsoft, or any other kind of, or any other kind of slide show presentation of some sort. Only go with Google Slides. I know there's a whole bunch of other ones out there, but Google Slides is easiest to use. Okay? Alright, last but not least, my sharing information. So if you are a middle schooler of mine, please send your exam project to the following emails. My email, which is beaverstristan9@gmail.com, and kellycalindres335@gmail.com. Kelly Calindres, Mrs. Kelly Calindres is the other middle school English teacher here. I also teach high school, but we're regarding the middle school for right now. Miss Calindres is the other middle school English teacher here at Victory. and me and her are the only two that teach middle school English. So basically what you're doing is you are going to be sending your child needs to send their exam to my email first. It needs to be sent to my email first because I am their teacher, and then to Mrs. Kelly Calindras, which is the other English teacher here at Victory. That is a middle school English teacher here. And that is it. Okay? These are not school emails. These are our personal emails, so that because I don't have a school email here at Victory. Mrs. Calindras does, but she doesn't really use it, I don't think. So anytime she has her kids submit presentations like through Google Docs or even Google Slides, she wants them using her personal email. So basically, use my personal email and use her email. If you have any questions or concerns, I want you to email my email only. Please do not email Mrs. Calindras, because she is the one that's going to be helping me grade these presentations. That's why I'm having you guys send your presentations to her as well as me, because we're going to work together to get these graded since we both teach middle school. But other than that, that is the end of the presentation. So yeah. Basically that is it. Very short, like see even this little instructional Google Slides, it was only 5 slides, which I exceeded the minimum of amount of slides, which was 4. And I went up to 5. The maximum amount they can have is 8. I don't want them using no more than 8 slides. Sharing information is right here. Also, I'm going to type this in so you guys can remember. If you have any concerns or questions, Uh-oh, what happened? Alright, if it will hurry up, we can get this going. If not, I don't know. Maybe. I have no... Come on. Alright, sorry you guys for loading, so I'm trying to record at the same time, so sorry about that. But basically, while we're waiting for this to come up, basically all your child is doing is very simple. It's going to be a very, very short presentation. It shouldn't be nothing extensive, nothing extra. Just very short, sweet, and simple. And here we are. So once again, if you are a middle schooler of mine, please send your exam project to the following emails: beaverstristan9@gmail.com and kellycalindras335@gmail.com. Also, if you have any questions or concerns, please do contact me at my personal email, which is beaverstristan9@gmail.com. Please do not email Mrs. Calindras because she does not teach your child. I do, like I previously said, she only is, the only reason why she is involved is because she's helping me grade these once the due date has occurred. I will come back a little bit later, probably within the next hour or so, and will let you guys know when the due date on these projects will be. I definitely think that I'm going to have it done on the last day of, or not the last day of school, the last full week of school, is when I'll make a due date. But other than that, that concludes it. So I hope you guys, are excited about this. I hope you're ready, and can't wait. So other than that, and, yeah. So happy Monday. Have a great rest of your day. Let's finish the school year out strong. We are almost done. See ya.